Day 5 Speak English Without Fear. 30 Days English Spoken Course, Vertical Bar English Academy. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Academy. If you are watching Day 5, congratulations. Because starting is easy, continuing is rare. If you feel fear while speaking English, shyness in front of others, confusion in grammar, then this lesson is made for you. Today you will learn how to speak English without fear, a very important tense for daily life. So relax and let's start. Short motivation. Let me tell you one powerful truth. People don't laugh at your English. People don't hate your mistakes. People notice confidence. A baby falls before walking. A child speaks wrong before speaking right. So why are you afraid? Say this with me. I am learning, I am improving, I am not afraid. Broken English today. Beautiful English tomorrow. Revision of Day 4. Before today's lesson, let's revise Day 4 quickly. We learned simple present tense, daily routine sentences, habits and routines. Examples: I wake up early. She goes to school. We learn English every day. Very good. Now let's move to Day 5. Day 5 topic, present continuous tense. Today's topic is present continuous tense. We use it to talk about what is happening right now, what someone is doing at this moment. Structure. Subject plus is /am/ or plus verb plus ing. Structure explanation. I plus am. I am learning English. I am watching this video. He/she/it plus is. She is cooking food. He is reading a book. It is raining. We/you they plus are. We are practicing English. You are listening carefully. They are playing cricket. Remember, I write arrow am. He/she/it is. We/you they write arrow are. Daily use SENT and CS. Now repeat after me, pause after each sentence. I am speaking English. She is talking on the phone. He is working in the office. We are watching a movie. They are waiting for the bus. You are learning very fast. Excellent. To make a question, bring is /am/are to the start. Examples: am I speaking clearly? Is she studying now? Are you listening to me? Are they playing outside? Practice loudly. Negative SENT and CS. Add not. I am not sleeping. She is not watching TV. He is not coming today. We are not wasting time. They are not talking. Very easy. Short conversation. A. What are you doing? B. I am learning English. A. Is your sister studying? B. Yes, she is studying in her room. A. Are they playing outside? B. No, they are not playing, they are resting. Repeat this conversation. Common mistakes. I am play football. I am playing football. She is cook food. She is cooking food. They are watch TV. They are watching TV. Always use verb plus ing. Student task. Now your turn. Make 5 sentences in present continuous. Example: I am my friend is we are. Write in the comments. Worksheet info. Day 5 worksheet PDF is available. Download link is in the description. Final motivation and outro 19 o'clock, 20 o'clock. Remember this forever. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. You don't need expensive courses. Native accent. You only need practice. Consistency. Belief in yourself. Like this video. Subscribe to English Academy. Turn on the bell icon. See you in day 6. Keep learning, keep speaking. Allah Hafiz and take care.